Board ACE is a learning system designed to achieve one goal: improving a school's board exam performance by 2 times. Let's see how this proven system helps teachers deliver this success. The academic year begins with teacher orientation and training, followed by goal setting with the principal. Through the Teacher tab, teachers receive annual learning plans and chapter-wise recommended day plans, guiding them on what to teach in each class. Supporting them is vTEACH, a virtual teaching assistant that helps in preparation before class, and classroom delivery. At the end of each class, teachers assign homework and practice tests from the study guide or practice guide so students can continue learning at home. Teachers also get JASPER, an assessment and worksheet generator to create multiple assessments and worksheets throughout the year. Once assessments are completed, marks are entered via predictive tabs. vTEACH then analyzes the results and provides an AI-powered remedial plan ready to implement in remedial periods. Teachers have a detailed performance view at all times to track class performance as well as individual performance against the set goal. In the final stretch of board preparation, teachers get Recap, a customized revision and assessment plan tailored to different student needs. This includes chapter-wise revision, full syllabus mock tests, remediation and guidance on self-study. And this is how Board ACE brings together everything a teacher needs to achieve the goal of 2 times better board success.